The Discaya family insists their fleet of pricey imported wheels were all procured legitimately. But hold on, the supporting documents proving taxes on each automobile have yet to be produced. Hence the BOC's decision to hold all cars under safekeeping and watch. Joshua Garcia reports.
12 luxury vehicles owned by the Discaya family are now being held inside the compound of St. Gerard Constructions following an ongoing inspection of their documents. Yesterday, the Bureau of Customs, or BOC, served a search warrant on the family's luxury cars. As of last night, the vehicles were transferred one by one to a parking building of St. Gerard under tight security provided by the Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG. The Discaya camp insists the cars were purchased legally and with proper documents. But according to the BOC, this still has to be verified.
Ngayon po, nasa proseso na po kami ng paghihintay ng kanilang mga submission ng mga dokumentong hawak nila na nagpapatunay na ito yung mga bayad ng nararapat na buwis at tumaan sa tamang proseso. At pagkatapos naman po, ibabangga namin sa records namin yan para i-verify kung talagang yung submissions nila ay nagmamatch dun sa records po ng Bureau of Customs.
The BOC also vowed to track down the remaining luxury cars owned by the Discaya couple.
Kaya doon sa marami natin narinig, 28 sang-ayon mismo sa kanila sa Discaya family at 40 sang-ayon naman sa kanila social media post. At kay Senator Jinggoy kahapon, 80. So at the minimum, we're looking at 28 dapat. Nagkataon lang na nauna yung 12 kasi yan yung in-apply natin kagad dahil kapag binuo pa namin yung 40, magtatagal lalo. So sa paniniwala ko, kaya pinutos ko na yung pag-apply kagad sa 12 kasi buo na yung dokumento niya.
The agency gave the Discaya family 15 days to submit documents such as certificates of payment and proof that proper taxes have been settled. If they fail to produce these papers, the vehicles will be deemed untaxed. Meanwhile, on Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada's claim that the Discayas own 80 luxury cars, their camp responded.
Nagkausap po kami sa telepono ni Sir Curly. Ang sabi niya, baka hindi pa nailipat yung mga ibinenta nilang mga sasakyan ng previous years.
Samaniego also said that all the Discaya family's luxury cars are registered and were purchased in the Philippines. He further explained that the 10 cars unaccounted for, while BOC was serving the search warrant, were under preventive maintenance during that time. Joshua Garcia from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.